Yes, good evening. Everybody are asking for my video. अरे पपन भाई क्या करेगा? हैप्पी फ्रेंडशिप डे तो बोल दिया ना. So that means I am totally with you. Nothing will happen against a, even if one student is very much worried. Nothing will happen. So don't worry. We are very much with you. And again I am repeating, stay safe, stay blessed, and do not have too much tension on studying. I am very clear in my communication. People have made fun of my that statement also. Some of our friends have told, sir, आपने बोला break the chain, not the relationship. So you please come live. I will come. I will come. Not even a single student, whether it is a CMA or CA or CS or LKG, UKG, it is my word. We are here for the future. When I tell LKG, UKG, you may be laughing. But who knows? One LKG or UKG student will definitely become the president of India, na? The first person, he or she. That's why I told that. So let us respect the feelings of the student fraternity. I am very much aware. Be it any professional course or for that matter CMA course, Pappan Bhai Sabka is with you all. Okay. So that doesn't mean that 24 hours enjoy watching movie. अरे आजकल तो मूवी भी नहीं बनता है ना, तो वी हैव टू वॉच ओनली ओल्ड मूवीज. क्या करो? लाइक दैट, वाट एवर इज द our syllabus, again and again read it with the time management, with the proper planning, with the focus, and try to do more and more course online. And why passed out students are asking me, sir, हमें job चाहिए. What is job? Just to obey the boss. अरे, you want to become boss or you want to just obey the boss? Think about entrepreneurship. Become a leader. That is more important. Yes, that doesn't mean that we will not try our best to see that more and more companies, organization, industry come forward to recruit you. No, I am not telling you like that. But find ways and means in this pandemic situation whether we can become leaders. Leaders are to lead, not to be led. I am very clear. So as is always I am telling, break the chain but not the relationship. Right? It is your Papan Bhai who is telling. Okay? Rest all, अरे क्या यार, exam. What exam? What is the guarantee that a September exam will happen? What is the guarantee that even in December examination will happen? First, our respectable doctors have to find the vaccine. Na? Then only we can come out of the house. So don't worry about a laptop, GB, Wi-Fi, this or that. Okay. President is very clear in his communication that he is trying his best to see that it is not that he is trying to create any record or nothing, but he want to see that, see, many students have requested us not to cancel the examination. We have studied a lot, sir. That is why President is telling. President means the head of the family, na? He doesn't want to let down those children who have studied and who want examination. President also knows that he doesn't want anyone to land in trouble because of this COVID situation. Don't think that I am simply praising President or supporting a vice president or I am not like that. I am your voice. Pappan Bhai is your voice in the council. I am very clear. Right? And most importantly, like I am saying in Telegram, I am saying in WhatsApp, I am saying in Twitter, any frustration, you just pour your frustration to your Pappan Bhai Sabka. You shout at me. Yes, some of our friends have utilized my words and they have told that you are a dog, you are a donkey, you are a monkey. I am very happy. At least they did not tell their parents. Na? They have told only Pappan Bhai like that. So don't worry. And regarding the campus placement for the passed outs, yes, I am very clear. We are doing our best. We are trying our best. So don't worry about that. And regarding the re-verification result or recounting or whatever it is, it will come soon. I am not worried about your re-verification result or examination. I want you to be safe. I am very clear. By any chance, if I continue to live for more number of days, let us enjoy our friendship. Na? That is more important. But most importantly, I am worried about your health, your feelings and everything. So whichever song, whichever movie you want to enjoy, please enjoy that. Rest all later. Right? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So all the very best. Pappan Bhai is still alive and I am with you all. Right? So don't worry about that. Rest all we will see, na? We will also see. I am not worried about some chartered accountant or somebody or some CMA or some CS coming in the YouTube and telling that kya hoga September, December, online. They are trying to make a fool of you people. They want to make money out of you people. They are trying to make all nonsense statements. And whoever is telling against anything about CMA, give them very clear message. जब तक पप्पन भाई जिंदा रहेगा सीएमए के बारे में कुछ भी उल्टा या गलती या उंगली नहीं मारेगा. ठीक है? Make it very clear. These people are trying to get some mileage and trying to make money out of more number of subscribers in YouTube and other things. First block them. Such people. Be yourself. Be a leader yourself. You are my leader. You are my son. You are my daughter. What more you want? So just ignore them. Right? So institute का notification आएगा and people also told अरे फ्रेंडशिप डे में पपन भाई आपका अपना गिफ्ट दीजिए. अरे मैं क्या गिफ्ट दे दूँ? मैं तो जिंदा हूँ. वही है आपका गिफ्ट. थैंक यू. थैंक्स बोल लूँ. थैंक यू. सो ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. थैंक यू वेरी मच.